Who doesn't know it? You miss the forest for the trees. I used to have my future pretty well thought out. Build my career where everything's buzzing, bursting with life, in the chaos of the big cities, where anything goes and everything exists. But why did it start to feel almost like there was too much of everything? I built myself a life that just didn't fit me at all. I had to change something. Back then, I traveled to Corinthia just to clear my head, just to break out of everyday life and feel truly free again. Corinthia felt so calm, but at the same time so full of life. It was a completely new feeling for me. So much space, so many colors, new smells, new experiences for all my senses. So much clean water. A place for cultures to meet within a short distance. A place with logistical advantages. Up north, down south. There are very few places like this, where all of this is united. My journey of culinary discoveries began. Traditional dishes, modern dishes, with ingredients whose excellent quality I could taste. I was really enthusiastic about the responsible food and nutrition culture in Corinthia. I met people that managed to turn this passion into a profession. People that took life into their own hands. These first days here in Corinthia opened my eyes to a completely new way of living. I realized that having a good work-life balance here could net me an equally good future. Now I understand why so many high-tech companies move here and invest in Corinthia, in its education offerings and possibilities, and in its people. Its leisure opportunities, healthcare, its jobs for innovative, skilled people in cutting-edge technologies, its good infrastructure, all of that is here. Now I understand why science and development start to become more and more location independent in these times of 5G. And at the same time support startups. The people here are willing to co-create. They are readily going the extra mile and thinking outside the box. I discovered as much as I could, tried to find out what would enrich my current way of life. Those days in Corinthia opened my eyes to a more livable future. I made up my mind and decided to move here. And finally found enough, space for my life and career. Corinthia, it's my life.